And now, I bring your attention to astonishing news regarding Barry Allen, also known as the Flash. New research has shown that Mr. Allen's secret to running fast is hidden inside the gene that is in charge of speed. If we take a look at Barry Allen's pedigree, we can see that his father, as well as his daughter, were speedsters as well. In this case, the allele or the variant of the gene that expresses the trait for being a speedster could have been passed from one generation to the other through one or more of the following 5 modes of inheritance. X-linked dominant inheritance is a mode of inheritance in which the specific allele for being a speedster is carried by the sex chromosome X and is dominant over the allele for normal speed. In this case, we will see that for Barry to be a male speedster, he needs to get a Y chromosome from Henry Allen and an X chromosome with the dominant allele from Nora Allen. But because Nora Allen is not a speedster, she does not have any dominant alleles to give to Barry. Therefore, this method of inheritance cannot be correct. A second mode of inheritance is X-linked recessive inheritance, in which the allele for being a speedster is inherited through the X chromosome as well, but it is recessive, meaning that it can be expressed if no dominant alleles are present. As illustrated, this mode of inheritance can be possible in this pedigree. Y-linked inheritance happens when an allele is passed to the next generation through the Y chromosome, meaning that generally only males can express that trait as they have the sex chromosome Y. Therefore, this mode of inheritance is not possible in this pedigree, as Nora West Allen, who is a female, has inherited the trait. Autosomal dominant inheritance occurs when a trait is passed from one generation to the other through non-sex chromosomes, and the alleles for that trait are dominant over other alleles, meaning that they will be expressed even if they are present only on one of the chromosomes. As illustrated, this mode of inheritance is possible in this pedigree. In autosomal recessive inheritance, a trait is inherited through non-sex chromosomes as well. But for the trait to be expressed, there should be no dominant alleles present. This mode of inheritance is a possibility in this pedigree too. This is Kourosh Salamati, GN311 News.